All right. So we're here with captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake. First of all, on behalf of everybody in Jamaica and this other sports TV, thank you for the point. That was a big time save. One more mistake leading to a Haitian breakaway. What was going through your mind leading up to that?
Here we go again. No, but at that point, I just know that I have to do everything in my power, to make the save, because I know at that time if they score, it's game over. Yeah. So I kept my composure, kind of patient, and as soon as he take that last touch, I just closed him, tried to stay as big as possible, and I was able to make the save. So very happy for that.
Alright, so you guys came in camp about last week Tuesday or so. We didn't see you in the game on Friday. Can you please give us more information as to why you weren't even on the match card that game?
Yeah, I was a little bit ill, just couldn't make it for that game, and I think it would not have been smart to push it, and so I was out, but the guys did a fantastic job, to get 3 points in that game.
Yeah, speak to us about Jamali Wait. You're a deputy, but whenever he plays like a true number one. What are your thoughts on him?
Proud of Jamali, he's done really well for himself, and as you said, every time he gets a chance, he has really stepped up and get the job done. So very happy for him, hopefully he can keep going and get something in the MLS soon. Yeah,
not only Jamali Wait, but your core of goalkeepers. I think this is the first time in a long time where we've had like a definitive three. What are your thoughts on the youngster Boyce Clark as well?
He's really good as well, he's definitely playing above his age. He's very composed, good with his feet as well. So Jamaica goalkeeping is in really good hands, and exciting times ahead.
Alright, so we came out today and unfortunately we went down 2 goals very early. As the captain, as the leader, and as the goalkeeper. 30 minutes into the game, how was Andre Blake feeling?
It was a tough moment, but I tried to get the guys to just relax. We were playing well, except for the 2 goals. So I know that we just needed to keep our composure. At that point, we had to stick together. So that was my main focus, to have the guys stick together, don't start turning against each other, because I know that once we start doing that, the game would have been over. We weren't being outplayed, so I know that we just needed to stick together. And once we put away our chances, we'd be okay, because we were creating chances, we just weren't putting them away. So we stick together, and fortunately we were able to get 2 goals. Could have gotten more, but it happens.
At halftime, what would you and Coach Hallgrimson have been telling the boys at halftime to kind of galvanize them going into the second half?
Yes, stay calm. We have to dig deeper. There's no way we're going to lose this game. We're playing too well, getting too many chances, and everybody know the task at hand, know what we have to go out there and do, and the guys really go out there and did really well in the second half.
Alright, after 90 minutes, I know that you must be tired after making a big save, getting us a point, so I'll let you go really quick. But Demarai Gray, he's been a lightning bolt, just energizing the whole team, not only the team but the whole nation. What are your thoughts on the introduction of one Demarai Gray into the national program?
Great player, great person, on the field, off the field. From the first time I saw him, he's earned my respect already. I've utmost respect for Gray. He's come in and he showed that he's all business. He plays with a passion, and I love that about him, and I'm just very excited to have him as a teammate.
Yeah, man, after the last campaign, you said, come now. And there are a few guys that have come. What are your thoughts on us organizing a core from early and not waiting until 2025?
It's very important, and these guys have showed that they want to play, and they come, and they're committed, which is very important, so I'm happy for that.
All right, thank you so much, and good game again, Andre.
All right,
yeah, man.